Hello, today our topic is creating menu using MenuStrip and context menu. First let us see what is a menu bar. It is a horizontal bar that typically located at the top of the application containing drop-down menu. So what is the main use of this menu is uh, it is to supply a common housing for Windows or application-specific menu which provide access to such functions such as opening file, interacting with the application, displaying help and manuals. Here we can see this is the menu bar, and here we have a list of menu. So these are the menu which we are going to create in this tutorial. So uh, first we will browse for the menu strip. So under menu and toolbar there is a menu strip. You click on this menu strip and uh, drag in your application. So the menu strip appears here, and here we have the menu strip to change the property. And when we click this, the first text box, then another two text box appears on the right and the bottom. So right is for the same level, to create the same level menu, and the bottom is to create the sub menu. Like suppose if we are going to create a menu exactly like this, then the first one is file, so I'll just write file. Then next is in the same level there is edit, then view, then project, build, debug, and so on. And when I click the file, then there's a list of submenu like new project, new website, open project, open website, add. Here under add we have again subtopic, new project, new website, then close. So I'll click on the file again. Under this I have new project, here new website, open project, and here as I have add is there. Under add we have another submenu, so I'll write for the add submenu we have to type it here. So under add we have add new project, new website, existing project, and existing. Then for each and every menu I can create again another submenu by clicking the right side of the menu. And here if again I need some if I'm going to add another menu, then here close. Okay, and for edit also, when I click the edit, under edit we have cut, copy, paste, undo, etc. So here I'll just write cut, copy, paste, undo, and under view I have code designer, solution explorer. So here I'll just write code designer, solution explorer, etc. Okay, so the same way for project also I can add a number of submenus, for build also, for debug also, and if I want to create another top menu, top level menu, then I'll just I'll just click in this text box and another menu and sub menu will appear. And when I click file here, the already added menu appears, and when I click add, then the sub menu appears. The same way for edit also. And as we have seen here, we have a number of icons, and here the shortcut key. Here I do not have anything, so I can just add it using the its property. So from here also I can add it, and from here I have MenuStrip items. So I'll click here, and here the top menu appears. File here, file toolstrip menu, and for file toolstrip menu I can again change its property here. So some of the properties are the back color here. I can change it to anything, and background image also I can change it, and the check state also I can put the checkbox also, and the font size can also be changed, font color can also be changed, and I can also put the image that is you can, if you have an icon in your system, icon file, you just click here, select resource, and like here I have under my picture folder I have a number of icons, so I'll just tick it here and okay. And here image alignment, middle center here. Okay, under image alignment have middle center, top center, right center, like that. And image scaling, scale to fit. And here I have the text also file, if I can modify this file. Okay, I can also modify this file. And again, another important thing is shortcut key. I can also create a shortcut key, but normally we don't display shortcut key at the top level menu. And this icon also we don't put much, but for instance I'll just keep it. And like suppose when I double click okay, under file I have again a collection of menus, like new project, new website, open project, add and close. So under new project I'll just change its this one image again. I'll select another image, under new I'll just use this one. Okay, anything will do. Search, instead of search icon I'll have another menu. Okay, I'll just put this one. Okay. And for the new project, if I want to create a shortcut key, here I'll click here, and I can create any shortcut like Control A, Shift A, Control Shift A, something like that. No, so like first for the first item I'll just put Control. For new item I'll just type N, Control N for the new item. Okay. And I'll just click here, Control N will appear. Like for new website, suppose I can also a combination of Control plus Shift plus N. Okay. And I'll just put a image for this project. Okay, I use this star. Okay, now let us see our menu here. This is the image, and the shortcut key is also displayed here. And if it is not having shortcut keys, then a blank space will appear. And here we have the submenu. For each submenu also the same way we can put the image and the shortcut key. And for to oh, okay, for the this one MenuStrip, these are the list of properties. By default it's MenuStrip is MenuStrip 1. You can change it according to your convenience. And the back color also we can select here. If you want a fancy or a colorful menu, then you can just put here, but you can just type whatever back color you want, and back color also you can choose. And enable property is also there, which responds to the events, mouse events and keyboard events. And the font also you can change it to bigger or different font style. And items is, as we have already demonstrated, these are the list of items. So from this item property you can change its name, and you can add another menu also from these items by clicking here. And here there is an add, so you can just add any menu item also, combo box also, text box also. Okay, something like combo box like this you can also add in the menu under tool strip, something like this. Okay, now here in this combo box again will have a collection of items like A, B, C, D. Okay, and in the layout style, okay, you have a different layout style. And here at the last you have this one size, and tab index, tab stop, and text direction also. Now it's horizontal, you can have vertical MenuStrip also. And this one, the visibility is by default it's true. So see, these are the properties of the MenuStrip. And if you are going to create events, like when you click file and when you click project, you want something to appear, so you will double click it, and here the corresponding events will be called new project toolstrip menu item. The name is new project toolstrip menu items. And when you click it, then here something like message box, dot show create new project. Okay, and then I'll click here, and here this is the runtime application. Here the combo box which I have created, here there's a drop down menu, you can just select anything. And when I click new project, then create new project, that message will appear. And for the other, if you want for the other menu, if you are going to write the codes, then you just double click each menu, and the corresponding events will be generated. So this is an overview of the MenuStrip. And the next we have this one, context menu. So a context menu is somewhat similar to the this MenuStrip. And its only difference is that context menu are menu that pop up when a user clicks the right mouse button on the control or windows. So they provide the user with quick access of the most commonly used command for the control that we are working with. And context menu are customized for the control that you are working with in complex applications such as Visual Studio 2010 and Microsoft Word. They provide quick access to the command. So in order to add the context menu, we have menu strip. So I'll just drag and drop the menu strip. Here we have the context menu, and here at the top context menu strip is displayed. It will just display when I run the application. This context menu will not appear. It will appear only when we right click on the mouse. So like for context menu, like suppose cut, copy, paste. I'll just write this one, and the same way, just like the menu bar, menu strip, I can change its properties from the this one from the properties section. We have items, and I can again change the background, change the font, give this one, put image also, and have this one, set the shortcut key also. I'll just do for one menu. Cut, I'll just put X, this one, and shortcut key for control cut is normally control plus X. Okay. Okay, and for copy also I can use it. I can again set its image and shortcut keys, font, back color, etc. So I didn't this one save it, right? Okay, I'll do again, cut, and for cut image, shortcut key, I'll put control plus X, and for the image, for this image we need ICO file, otherwise it will not, the normal image cannot be kept here. And here we have the cut. As I have already mentioned, like this context menu will not appear like menu bar. Here the context menu will not appear, so we have to set this context menu to some control. Like we can use also set to form control, but let's use text box. I'll put text box, and I'll set its multi-line property to true. Okay, and then when I click the when I right click on the mouse on this one, on this text box, I need that context menu to appear. So here, context menu strip, I'll set to context menu strip 1. This one, the context menu which I have created. Okay, and then to create its event, then I'll double click it. Okay, and this one, I'll just display message box dot show that function. I'll just display this one, and if I want to create a sub menu also, then I can there we can type anything here, so it's not a problem. The procedure is similar to this one, menu bar, menu strip. So I click on the text box and I change its context strip menu to context strip 1, this one. And then I'll run the application. Okay, and here these are the file, the menu strip, and here I will just type something. Okay, and then when I click this, right click, suppose I'll select and right click, then that context menu which I created appears. So if I press cut, then cut function message box appears. Same we copy. For copy, under copy I have added submenu, so these are the submenu. Since I do not write any code for those menus, so nothing happens. Okay, so this is the demonstration of menu strip and context menu. Thank you.